We at Damai Primary School are committed to providing an authentic learning experience for all our students.
Through broadcast journalism, I understand the importance of working together as a team. My friends and I felt really proud when our video was broadcast in school for everyone.
Home-based learning has become a part of our vocabulary. We will need to get used to this new normal.
We provide the platform for students to apply the language skills creatively through fun and enriching projects. We empower them to take charge of their own learning.
We learn how to judge the credibility of the information we find online. Getting our story right is just as important as telling it.
Launching a pop ball rocket definitely helped me understand forces. It also helped me understand its effects on other objects. It is way better than just reading about it in my textbook.
Teaching through the context of play enriches a student's learning. They begin to think and explore beyond the classroom.
When learning is fun, it makes you want to learn more.
We aspire to nurture Damaians to be confident individuals, thinking learners, and engaged leaders.
Our team came up with an idea to shorten waiting time while queuing up in the canteen.
We are confident that we can make a difference.
I'm passionate about sports and I motivate my students to be the best that they can be. They are taught to be gracious athletes to display sportsmanship.
Damai Dragons! Damai Dragons!
Cajon playing boosts students' creativity as they make beats that are unique to them.
I developed better concentration skills and listening ability.
One team.
One vision.
Together,
Together.
We achieve more.